Good morning, students. Brahmana. Om. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Susta. Today we are going to discuss what is the condition of the tangent line is parallel to x-axis and what is the condition for the tangent line is perpendicular to the x-axis and what is the angle between two curves and what is the condition for two curves intersect at a right angle or what is the condition for two curves touches to each other and some of problems. Last class we discussed what is the geometrical meaning of dy by dx and what is the slope of the tangent, slope of the normal and what is the equation of the tangent line and equation of the normal line. You know dy by dx represent slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to fx at any point. But dy by dx at x1 y1 represent slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to f of x at x1 y1. Since the tangent line and normal line both are perpendicular to each other, if the slope of the tangent at x1 y1 is dy by dx at x1 y1, then the slope of the normal is minus 1 by dy by dx at x1 y1. And the equation of the tangent line at x1 y1 is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, but m means dy by dx at x1 y1. That is y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx at x1 y1 whole into x minus x1. And the equation of the normal line is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by dy by dx at x1 y1 whole into x minus x1. This is the equation of the tangent line and this is the equation of the normal line. So last class हमने गुड़ाए problem भी करते discussion करते, but today we will discuss what is the condition if the tangent line is parallel to x-axis and what is the condition if the tangent line is perpendicular to x-axis. The condition for tangent line parallel to x-axis. We know any line is parallel to x-axis, then the slope of the line is equal to slope of the x-axis. You know the slope of the x-axis is 0 because the angle of inclination of x-axis is 0. So the slope of the x-axis is tan 0. Tan 0 is 0. That means the tangent line is parallel to x-axis means slope of the tangent is equal to slope of the x-axis. You know the slope of the tangent is in derivative dy by dx. Slope of the x-axis is 0. That the dy by dx is equal to 0. So what is condition if the tangent line is parallel to x-axis? Dy by dx is equal to 0. And its figure, write down this one. So this is a curve y is equal to f of x. Suppose this point here y is equal to f of x with the equation of the curve and p the point. The tangent line is parallel to x-axis. P the point on the curve. Here the tangent line is parallel to x-axis means the angle of inclination of the line is 0. That means theta is 0 means tan theta equal to 0. That is dy by dx is equal to 0. So here theta equal to 0. So tan theta is equal to 0. Since the tangent line is parallel to x-axis, so the angle of inclination of the tangent line is 0. That means tan theta. Okay. So theta is equal to 0. So tan theta is equal to means tan 0. Tan 0 is equal to 0. But tan theta means you know dy by dx is the slope of the tangent line, so dy by dx is equal to 0. So this is the condition for the tangent line is parallel to x axis. Next condition for tangent line perpendicular to x axis, perpendicular to x axis, perpendicular to x axis. So if the tangent line is perpendicular to x axis, suppose the graph of the figure is like that. So this is a curve y is equal to fx, and this is a point, P is a point. At that point we draw the tangent line. So this is the PT is a tangent. Here this one is x axis and this is the y axis. The tangent line is perpendicular to x axis, means the angle of the inclination of the tangent is 90 degree. So here theta is equal to 90 degree. So here theta is equal to 90 degree, means tan theta. So tan theta is equal to tan 90, but tan 90 is equal to infinite. Tan theta means dy by dx. In the derivative, slope of the tangent is dy by dx. In coordinate geometry, slope of the line is tan theta. That means dy by tan theta. Here this line is a tangent line, means dy by dx is equal to infinite. So this is the condition for the tangent line is perpendicular to x axis, and this is the condition for the tangent line is parallel to x axis. Tangent line perpendicular to x axis means it will be parallel to y axis. तो tangent line दा x axis perpendicular कहबा जा, tangent line दा y axis parallel कहबा था. अच्छा, if the tangent line is perpendicular to x axis and this will be normal line, so what is normal? Here normal is parallel to x axis. So the tangent line दा x axis को perpendicular होबो, normal line दा x axis कोन होची parallel होबो. But tangent line दा जदि x axis parallel होबो, normal line दा एटा होची normal line x axis कोन होची perpendicular. So tangent line दा parallel हेले normal दा perpendicular होबो, but normal line दा perpendicular हेले tangent line दा कोन होची parallel होबो. बुझुची? So this is the condition for the tangent line is parallel to x axis, and this is the condition for the tangent line is perpendicular to x axis or parallel to y axis. Suppose the normal line is parallel to x axis. So normal line दा जदि x axis parallel होबो, normal line parallel to x axis means normal line tangent line दा x axis कोन होबो perpendicular होबो. If the tangent line is perpendicular to x axis, then dy by dx is infinite. तो normal जदि कोइ होबो ने tangent line दा कोन होची देखियो, tangent line दा धरिली तमे कंडीशन दा बाहर करियो. ओके, so ए कंडीशन धरिली हमें किछि प्रॉब्लम करिवा. So one problem is, so one question, find the points on the curve y square minus x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0 where the tangent is parallel to x axis. So what we ask, here the given curve is this one, we ask the point where at that point the tangent line is parallel to x axis. We know if the tangent line is parallel to x axis, then slope of the tangent is 0. That means dy by dx is equal to 0. तेणु प्रथम आम कौन करिया, ये जो कर्व इक्वेशन देछि आपको प्रथम आर डिफरेंशिएशन करिया, dy by dx बाहर करिया, dy by dx वैल्यू जति आसीबो दैट इज इक्वल टू 0 बोली कंसीडर करिया पड़ो. काई ना टेंजेंट लाइन पैरेलल टू x एक्सिस, तो टेंजेंट लाइन x एक्सिस पैरेलल माने dy by dx वैल्यू कोन होबो 0 होबो. आंसर तो y स्क्वायर माइनस x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x minus 1 equal to 0. This is equation 1. Differentiate with respect to x. So what is derivative of y square with respect to x? Y square derivative कौन होगा? ना 2y into dy by dx minus x square derivative 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. तो y स्क्वायर डेरिवेटिव 2y into dy by dx minus 2x plus 2 तो 2x डेरिवेटिव कितना है 2 1 डेरिवेटिव 0 so this is equal to 0 that implies 2y into dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 2 no that implies dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 2 by 2y taking 2 common from numerator so this is x minus 1 by 2y 2 to cancel so this is equal to x minus 1 by y this is the dy by dx since the tangent line parallel to x axis so dy by dx is equal to 0 that implies x minus 1 by y is equal to 0 that implies x minus 1 is equal to 0 that implies x is equal to 1 बर्तमान x रो वैल्यू आसिला putting this value of x in given equation 1 x रो वैल्यू कोन करियो 1 रे पकेरा put x is equal to 1 in equation 1 that implies y square minus 1 square plus 2 into 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 so y square minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 is equal to 0 that implies y square eta kete 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0 y square का 0 means y is equal to 0 तो x कोऑर्डिनेट x का वैल्यू 1 आइला y का 0 आइला therefore required point is 1, 0. So, if we draw the tangent line to this curve at 1, 0, the tangent line must be parallel to x-axis. So, the curve ऊपर 1, 0 पाखरे आम जो tangent line draw करिया, then the tangent line must be parallel to x-axis. जेहेतु से tangent line ना parallel to x-axis कोई ची, तो हमें condition ना पकड़े बाहर पले x रो वैल्यू आसला x रो वैल्यू आते गिवन कर्व पकेली y रो वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन so next question find the points on the curve question number 2 find the points on the curve x square plus y square minus 4xy plus 2 is equal to 0 where the normal is parallel to x axis it कौन देची ना normal line is parallel to x axis you know if normal line is parallel to x axis then the tangent line perpendicular to the x axis normal line दा जदि x axis parallel होबो tangent line दा x axis कोन होबो perpendicular होबो because normal line and tangent line both are perpendicular जदि normal ला x axis parallel होबो tangent line दा x axis perpendicular होबो if the tangent line is perpendicular to the x-axis, then the condition is dy by dx is infinite. Slope of the tangent is infinite. We know any line is perpendicular to the x-axis, then the slope of the line is tan infinite. That is tan 90 equal to infinite. Okay. So answer. Here x square plus y square minus 4xy plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the given equation. First, let it be equation 1. अपन प्रथम डेरिवेटिव करिया differentiate with respect to x. So x square derivative 2x because we differentiate with respect to x. And what is derivative of y square? 2y into dy by dx. Minus 4 टा constant रहला. एडी कोन u into v रो पकाओ x into y रो x रहला y रो कोन हो dy by dx plus y x रो 1 2 रो derivative 0 right side derivative 0 नहीं that implies 2x plus 2y dy by dx minus 4x dy by dx minus 4y is equal to 0 तो dy by dx टा को गोटे साइड करो that implies 2y minus 4x whole into dy by dx is equal to 4y minus 2x minus 4 right only 2x right only that implies dy by dx is equal to 4y minus 2x by 2y minus 4x. एक टू डाल में कॉमन बार करिया न्यूमरेटर रो. So this is 2x what is 4y it is 2y minus x whole by 2y. तो 2 रा कॉमन कर ले y minus 2x. This is 2 रे कॉमन कर दियो तो y minus 2x हला तो 2 to cancel. So this is equal to ये केता आसला हमरो ना नहीं. So it हमरो dy by dx टा कॉमन कर ले 2y minus 4x हला एटा से 4y minus 2x. So 2 रा कॉमन बार कर ले 2y minus x हला डिनोमिनेटर बार 2y minus 2x. So this is equal to 2y minus x by y minus 2x. Okay. So this is a dy by dx. Since normal parallel to x axis. देखो नॉर्मल कोची नॉर्मल कहले तमे टेंजेंट आगे बाहर करियो काहे टेंजेंट करी तमे कंडीशन ता अप्लाई करियो. नॉर्मल पैरेलल टू x axis means tangent line perpendicular to x axis. Hala so the tangent line x axis perpendicular that implies dy by dx is equal to infinite. Because if the tangent line is perpendicular to the x axis, then dy by dx is infinite. That implies, so the value of dy by dx is this one, 2y minus x by y minus 2x is equal to infinite. तो यार वैल्यू केतबेले infinite होबो पूरा एक्सप्रेशन रे केतबेले infinite होबो. The denominator part must be 0. Denominator part टा कोन होबो 0 आपडियो. That implies y minus 2x is equal to 0. That implies y is equal to 2x. अच्छा y रो वैल्यू टा केता आसला 2x हला. y रो वैल्यू कोन होबो इक्वल वन रे डायरेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट करियो. Put y is equal to 2x in equation 1 ना नहीं equation 1 में पकड़ दियो. That implies ये कहता है x square plus y square. Y means 2x square. This is 4x square minus 4x. Y means 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. Equation 1 में पकड़ देखो ये x square y जगह 2x पकड़ ली 4x square minus 4x y जगह 2x plus 2 equal to 0. आपको सॉल्व कर लेने का दोस्ती 5x square minus 8x square plus 2 equal to 0. So minus 3x square plus 2 is equal to 0. That implies minus 3x square is equal to minus 2. That implies x square is equal to 2 by 3. So x square equal to 2 by 3 means x equal to plus or minus 2 by 3. तो x रो वैल्यू आसला तमर प्लस और माइनस 2 by 3. बट y is equal to x. तो x रो वैल्यू आसला परे y रो वैल्यू ला पकड़ो ना नहीं. अच्छा सो y is equal to हम बट y is equal to x. Y equal to 2x. So but y is equal to x so we have so y is equal to 2 into x means plus or minus 2 by 3. So this is plus or minus 2 root 2 by root 3. So this is the value of y and this is the value of x. Therefore the required points plus or minus root over 2 by 3 comma plus or minus 2 root 2 by root 3. So there are 4 points on the curve where the normal line is parallel to x axis. काहे गोटे प्लस नेटा प्लस नबो प्लस माइनस हे परियो माइनस प्लस हे परियो माइनस माइनस प्लस 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 माइनस हे परियो माइनस प्लस नै परियो माइनस माइनस. चारटा पॉइंट आसीबो जो पॉइंट रे नॉर्मल लाइन ला कोन से x axis को parallel हो. सो एमदी हमें कंडीशन अप्लाई करिग्री ना नहीं पॉइंट ता बाहर करिया जो पॉइंट रे की टेंजेंट लाइन दा कौन हम parallel to x axis or parallel to y axis anyway. Next question. Next, angle between two curves. So how to find the angle between two curves. You know, the angle between two curves is defined as angle between tangents at their point of intersection. ତେଣୁ ମନେ ରଖିଥିଲେ ଦୁଇଟା କର୍ଭର ଏଙ୍ଗେଲ ବାହାର କରିବା ଯାହା ସେ ଦୁଇଟା କର୍ଭ ଯୋଉ ପଏଣ୍ଟରେ ଇଣ୍ଟରସେକ୍ଟ କରୁଛି ସେ ପଏଣ୍ଟରେ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଆମେ ଦୁଇଟା ଟେଞ୍ଜେଣ୍ଟ ଲାଇନ୍ ଡ୍ର କରିବା ସେ ଟେଞ୍ଜେଣ୍ଟ ମାନଙ୍କର ଏଙ୍ଗେଲଟା ଯେତିକି ଆସିବ that will be is equal to angle between two curves. So now we discuss the angle between two curves. So the angle between two curves, angle between two curves is defined as angle between tangents at their point of intersection. So दीटा कर्व रो एंगल बाहर करिया जहा दीटा कर्व रो ना नहीं जो पॉइंट रे इंटरसेक्ट करजुंती से पॉइंट रे टेंजेंट मानकर एंगल बाहर करिया ता तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन वेयर दिस टू कर्व आर इंटरसेक्ट तो को पॉइंट रे दीटा कर्व इंटरसेक्ट करजुंती प्रथम सेटा बाहर करिया दरकार देखो तो हाउ टू फाइंड द एंगल बिटवीन टू कर्व्स फर्स्ट वी टेक with the two curves suppose y1 is equal to f of x this is the first curve y1 is equal to f of x and y2 is equal to g of x y1 is equal to f of x and y2 equal to g of x these are two given equations of the curve and these two curves intersect at this point. This point is P of alpha comma beta. This is the point of intersection at which these two curves intersect. So how to find the point of intersection? If we equating these two curves, you get a point of intersection. Or by solving these two equations, you get point of intersection. तो दीटा कर्व को इक्वेटिंग करी पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन बाहर कर परिबा बा दीटा कर्व को सॉल्व करी मध्य तमे पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन मार सॉल्व माने कोन ना गोटे वैल्यू y दा बाहर करी आ गोटे इक्वेशन रे पकेबो तो एमि देहि पारियो बा इक्वेटिंग करिवो इक्वेटिंग माने यार y इज इक्वल टू तार y जदि सेम थिबो राइट साइड सेम हैला तो इक्वेटिंग करी तमे मध्य पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन बाहर कर पारियो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन बाहर करला परे वर्तमान हम कोन करिया से पॉइंट रे टेंजेंट लाइन दीटा ड्रा करिया अच्छा ए कर्व होती ए पॉइंट हमें टेंजेंट लाइन ड्रा करते देखो ए हमें टेंजेंट लाइन ड्रा करिया सो दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस वन इज here PT1 is the tangent to the first curve the tangent line PT1 is a tangent to the first curve y1 is equal to f of x and मतलब a point रे a कर्व पर tangent line ड्रा करिया हमें so this is equal to okay so this one is a point पर tangent line ड्रा करिया so this is equal to so PT2 is a tangent line to the second curve. So PT1 is a tangent to the first curve and PT2 is a tangent to the second curve. Okay. Suppose this angle between two tangent line is theta. Tangent line, the angle between two tangent line is theta. This is the coordinate axis. Okay. This one is the x-axis and this one is the y-axis. So you know, if m1 and m2 is the slope of these two lines and theta is the angle between them, then angle between two line is theta is equal to, or tan theta is equal to mod of m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2. That means theta is equal to tan inverse of mod of m2 minus m1 by m1, 1 plus m1 into m2. तो दीटा कर्व रो एंगल बाहर करिया जा ना नहीं से दीटा कर्व जो पॉइंट रे इंटरसेक्ट करले से पॉइंट रे टेंजेंट मानकर एंगल बाहर करिया जा. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड द स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट टू द फर्स्ट कर्व एंड द स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट टू द सेकंड कर्व. यू नो फर्स्ट कर्व को तमे डेरिवेटिव करियो, डेरिवेटिव कला पर पॉइंट का पकेबो, दैट द स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट टू द फर्स्ट कर्व. तो dy1 by dx at alpha comma beta these are represent slope of the tangent to the first curve. Second curve derive करियो dy2 by dx at alpha comma beta these are the slope of the tangent to the second curve. So let y1 is equal to f of x and y2 is equal to g of x are two given equation of curve p of alpha comma beta be the point of intersection. First to find the slope of the tangent. m1 is equal to dy1 by dx at alpha comma beta. This represent slope of tangent to the first curve m2 dy2 by dx at alpha comma beta. Second curve derive करियो point up पकड़ो, that the slope of the tangent to the second curve represent slope of tangent to the second curve. If theta is the angle between them, if theta is the angle between two curves, angle between them, then tan theta is equal to mod of m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2. You know, angle between two lines having slope m1 and m2. Tan theta is equal to mod of m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2. Mod का ही बोला ना angle गोटा आसी थीटा, angle आसी में 30 क्यों हो? Angle कौन हो? तो दी एटा थीटा हो, total angle 180. So angle होती 180 minus theta. Tan of 180 minus theta equal to minus tan theta. So angle means दीटा वैल्यू आसी हो, गोटे plus राशि और गोटे minus राशि हो. So tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 by 3 हो. Tan theta equal to minus of 3. So plus or minus means we take its modulus value. अच्छा, that implies theta is equal to tan inverse of, that means theta is equal to tan inverse. So theta equal to tan inverse of m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2. This is known as angle between two curves. So how to find the angle between two curves? First you have to find the point of intersection by equating these two curves or by solving these two curves. After point of intersection, you differentiate the first curve and put the value point of intersection. Then you differentiate the second curve and substitute the value of point of intersection alpha beta. No. So m1 represents slope of the tangent to the first curve. M2 is the slope of the tangent to the second curve. Then theta is equal to, apply this formula, theta equal to tan inverse of m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2. तो ए फॉर्मूला पकड़े तमे दीरा कर्व एंगल बाहर करलो अच्छा नो व्हाट इज द कंडीशन कंडीशन होची if theta equal to 90 degree if theta is equal to 90 degree then what is the value of tan theta then tan theta is equal to that the tan 90 so theta 90 means tan 90 equal to infinite that implies tan theta means m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2 is equal to infinite. So here value infinite means the denominator part is 0. 1 plus m1 into m2 is equal to 0. That implies m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Which is the condition for if theta is equal to 90 degree means these two curves intersect at right angle. Or in such case we also say that these two curves intersect at orthogonally or right angle. These are the same meaning, which is condition for two curves intersect at a right angle or orthogonally when two curves intersect at orthogonally if the product of the slope of the tangent at that point of intersection is minus 1 slope of the tangent to the first curve multiplied slope of the tangent to the second curve is equal to minus 1. Condition 2 if theta is equal to 0 then tan theta means tan theta equal to 0 substitute theta equal to 0 tan 0 equal to 0 so tan 0 equal to 0 so that means tan theta equal to 0 you know tan theta equal to m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2 is equal to 0 that implies so this part is equal to 0 means numerator is 0 so m2 minus m1 equal to 0 that implies m1 is equal to m2 which is the condition for two curves not intersect these two curves touches to each other तो थीटा टा 0 हो गला दीटा कर्व रो एंगल ला जदी 0 हो बोले इंटरसेक्ट करिबी ना सेमले m0 रे दे आर इंटरसेक्ट टू ईच अदर तो इंटरसेक्ट ले ए पॉइंट जे हम टेंजेंट लाइन ड्रा करिया दैट द टेंजेंट लाइन बोथ आर कॉमन मींस द टेंजेंट लाइन at that point for these two curves are coincide or parallel or identical here m1 is equal to m2 so if m1 is equal to m2 then this is which is the condition for two curves touches to each other and this is the condition for two curves intersect at right angle so bujhilo so how to find the angle between two curves and what is the condition for two curves intersect at right angle and the condition for two curves touches to each other. Next one question. Find the angle between two curves find the one question find the angle between two curves y is equal to 2 to the power x and y is equal to 5 to the power x ए दीटा कर्व रो एंगल बाहर करिया तो एंगल बाहर करिया पूर्व हमको प्रथम पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन बाहर करिया दरकार you know how to find point of intersection for point of intersection you have to equating or solving these two equations here y is equal to 2 to x and y is equal to 5 per x. For point of intersection, that means first to find point of intersection. That is, by putting these two curves, y is equal to 2 to the x, y equal to 5 to the x. That implies 2 to the x is equal to 5 to the x. अच्छा 2 to the x का value 5 to the x का value का संगे समान होगा केतବେଳେ? That implies 2 to the x by 5 to the x is equal to 1. So 1 means this is equal to 2 by 5 to the x है. 1 माने को लिखा है देखो. 1 means 2 by 5 to the 0. Anything to the power 0 equal to 1. तो बोले गुरुजी आप 2 by 5 पर 0 कर पा लेकिन आउट बार 0 लिखना जेतु बेस 2 to the 5 अछि ना ने पावर टा x अछि जदि हम बेस 2 to the 5 हो बेस समान हो पावर समान हो दैट इंप्लाइज कोन होला x is equal to 0 आइला सा एक्स्ट्रा 0 आइला तो एक्स्ट्रा 0 ले y ର वैल्यू केता आछो a वैल्यू पके 8 पको 8 पको so y is equal to 2 to the x means 2 to the 0 is equal to 1. So point of intersection is x comma y, that is 0 comma 1. तो फर्स्ट रे हमको पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन बाहर करियो. पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ना केमि बाहर करियो दीरा कर्व को इक्वली करी बाहर करि परियो और सॉल्व करी तमे बाहर करियो. बाहर कला परे slope of the tangent to the first curve करियो, slope of the tangent to the second curve. So y is equal to the x प्रथम आप डेरिवेटिव करो dy by dx equal to 2 to the x into ln 2 एटा 8 to the x फॉर्म करले ना पके दियो dy by dx at 0,1 is equal to 2 to the 0 into ln 2 तो 2 to the 0 into ln 2 माने कोन हो ln 2 dy by dx फर्स्ट कर्व डेरिवेटिव करलो डेरिवेटिव करला पर जो पॉइंट पकोचो दैट इज m1 and this one is we take m1 so m1 is equal to ln 2. सेकंड को करिया सेकंड कर्व डेरिवेटिव करियो y is equal to 5 to the x या को जो हम डेरिवेटिव करिया dy by dx equal to 5 to the x into ln 5 है ना नहीं तो 8 पॉइंट पके दियो dy by dx at 0,1 तो 0,1 means 5 plus 0 into ln 5 so this is equal to ln 5 that is m2 by the m2 टा नो से slope of the tangent to the second curve so m2 होची तमरा ln 5 m1 होची ln 2 m2 is equal to ln 5. You know the formula angle between two curve. What is formula? Theta is equal to tan inverse m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into the modulus. Theta equal to tan inverse mod of m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2. That is tan inverse. What is m2? So m2 equal to ln 5 minus ln 2 by 1 plus m1 into m2 ln 2 into ln 5. You know ln a minus ln b the ln of a by b. So tan inverse ln of 5 by 2 by 1 plus ln 2 into ln 5. 8 value पड़े ln a minus ln b by ln of a by b एटा किछ होबनी ना नहीं. So this is the angle between two curves whose equation y is equal to 2 to the x and y is equal to 5 to the x. Next question. So that the curves 2x equal to y square and 2xy is equal to k caught at right angle if k square is equal to 8. That is automatically we say that if these two chord 2x equal to y square and 2xy equal to k caught at right angle, then prove that k square is equal to 8. जदि ए दीटा कर्व राइट एंगल इंटरसेक्ट करिवे तबे हम प्रमाण करिया पड़ियो जे k square is equal to 8. We know two curve intersect at right angle means product of the slope is -1. That is m1 into m2 is equal to -1. हम देखले जे दीटा कर्व जदि राइट एंगल इंटरसेक्ट करंती तबे प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द स्लोप इज -1. तेनो हम कोन करिया पड़े फर्स्ट रे तो स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट टू द फर्स्ट कर्व बाहर करिया, स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट टू द सेकंड कर्व करिया, तो m1 into m2 is equal to -1. तो फर्स्ट रे हमें पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन बाहर कर दवा, तापर m1 into m2 कंडीशन अप्लाई करिया, से कंडीशन रे पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन वैल्यू ता पकेकरी हमको ताको सॉल्व करिया पड़ियो. देखिया पड़ियो जे k square is equal to 8. आंसर first to find point of intersection. Point of intersection. 2x equal to y square and 2xy is equal to k. अच्छा 2x is equal to y square अच्छी एटी 2x का वैल्यू पकड़ दो तो 2x जरा में पकड़ ले y square into y is equal to k है that implies yq is equal to k है तो yq रे k है y का कितना है k पावर 1/3 तो बुझिला हमें कौन बोले 2x इक्वल कर लिए 2x रे लाइट पकड़ ले 2x जरा y square into y equal to k है तो y का k पावर 1/3 है अच्छा 8 पकड़ ले बता कौन होची 2 into x is equal to k पावर 1/3 स्क्वायर है that is 2x is equal to k power 2/3 है that is x is equal to k power 2/3/2 तो x रो वैल्यू है k power 2/3/2 है y रो वैल्यू है k power 1/3. तो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन जोटा कि हमर अल्फा एंड बीटा होचे पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन इज इक्वल टू k power 2/3/2 k power 1/3. दिस इज द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन. बुझोते बर्तन हमें स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट बाहर करिया टू द फर्स्ट कर्व और स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट टू द सेकंड कर्व करिया. प्रथम कर्व रे कोन अछि 2x is equal to y square. Differentiate with respect to x. तो याको डेरिवेट करले कोन अछि 2x और 1 होला y square डेरिवेट कोन ना 2y into dy by dx ना नहीं that implies 2 to cancel होला तो dy by dx ओके तो dy by dx 2/2y is equal to dy by dx होला तो 2 to cancel that implies dy by dx is equal to 1/y. तो एटा हमर m1 ले जा एटा वैल्यू हमें m1 into m2 is equal to -1 जो अप्लाई करबा सेडी हमें x रो वैल्यू ला पका y रो वैल्यू ला पका सिंपलीफाई करला पारे एबे भी पकेला हबो किंतु सेट पकेले कैलकुलेशन आउरी इजी हबो. सो दिस इज m1 is equal to 1/y. नेक्स्ट सेकंड कर्व डेरिवेट करिया तो 2xy is equal to k that implies xy is equal to कोन होची k/2 होला k रा कांस्टेंट 2 रा कांस्टेंट ना अच्छा डिफरेंशिएट कर दियो डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x ये u into v में पड़ा पकड़ो तो x कांस्टेंट y डायरेक्टली dy by dx प्लस y x1 k/2 k दा कांस्टेंट 2 दा कांस्टेंट k/2 is again a constant so its derivative is 0 that implies dy by dx is equal to -y by x and this is the slope of the tangent of the second curve. So m2 is equal to -y by x. Since these two curves intersect or cut at right angle that implies m1 into m2 equal to -1. So what is m1? So m1 is slope of the tangent to the first curve and m2 is slope of the tangent to the second curve. अच्छा m1 नाम कितना आछे 1 by y, m2 is minus y by x is equal to minus 1, तो y cancel होला and this is equal to minus 1 by x. तो minus minus cancel भी कर दिया होगा. So minus 1 by x is equal to minus 1, that implies x is equal to 1. तो m1 into m2 जो अप्लाई करले से कोन आसला x is equal to 1 होला. हमें पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन कोडी भी पकेना ना एडी पके दो. पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन आस्ते कोन a by 2 by 3 by 2 a by 1 तक तार तो x जगह a रो वैल्यू पड़ियो y जगह a वैल्यू पड़ियो. जेतु x is equal to 1 आइला y रो वैल्यू आसीबी तो y रो वैल्यू पके दरकार नै x रो वैल्यू आगे सब्स्टिट्यूट करियो. That implies k रो पावर 2 by 3 by 2 is equal to 1. So k power 2 by 3 is equal to 2. तो k 2 by 3 mean whole cube कर दियो. तो k power 2 by 3 रो whole cube is equal to rho cube. So 2 rho cube is equal to 8. That implies 8 3 is cancel होला. That implies k square is equal to 8. So m दी तमे ऑर्थोगोनल कंडीशन अप्लाई करिगी k रो वैल्यू तुमको जा प्रूव करिया कहियो सेटा अप्लाई करलो. कौन ऑर्थोगोनल माने अप्लाई करले ना m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. ए वैल्यू रे तुमरो सिंप्लिफिकेशन करिवो m1 रे वैल्यू पकेबो m2 रे आसी जा आसी पकेबो सिंप्लिफाई करला पर जा रोइला सेडी पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ला पकेबो पकेला पर ताको सॉल्व करले कैलकुलेशन ला आगे इजी हियो. So in this way you have to find the condition or prove two curve intersect at right angle or find the angle between two curves. Next question. So that the curves ax square plus by square is equal to 1 and a dash x square plus b dash y square is equal to 1 intersect at right angle if 1 by a minus 1 by b equal to 1 by a dash minus 1 by b dash. Same question previous time jam thila एडा भी सेमी अछि. Here this is the two curve equation of the curve ax square plus by square is in 1 and the second curve is a dash x square plus b dash y square is equal to 1. Here these two curve intersect at right angle. So right angle means the condition will be m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. तो m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1 अप्लाई करबा ए कंडीशन ला अप्लाई करी हम एटा को प्रूव करिया पड़ियो. अच्छा तो प्रथम हम कोन करिया पड़ियो ना पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन बाहर करियो. हाउ टू फाइंड पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन दीरा कर्व सॉल्व करी पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन बाहर कर पारियो और दीरा कर्व को इक्वेटिंग करी तुम पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ना बाहर कर पारियो. अच्छा एड कोन करियो एति इक्वल टू 1 अछि दिस वन इज 1 अछि हमें कोन करिया एटा को ना सॉल्व करला. सॉल्व मींस से इक्वेटिंग करिया. इक्वेटिंग करी बाहर करिया देखो आंसर ax square plus by square is equal to 1 and a dash x square plus b dash y square is equal to 1. For point of intersection or point of intersection we solve these two equations. Ax square plus by square is equal to a dash x square plus b dash y square. ना नहीं एटा इक्वल टू 1 अछि एटा इक्वल टू 1 अछि तो यार लेफ्ट टू यार लेफ्ट साइड इक्वल होला. दैट इज ax square minus a dash x square and b dash y square minus by square. तो a minus a dash into x square this is equal to b dash minus b into y square. बुझौछि that implies x square by y square is equal to b dash minus b by a minus a dash. एटा लेट एडी इक्वेशन वन पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन माने कोन x रो वैल्यू आसी y रो वैल्यू आसी ना एडी x y इंडिपेंडेंटली आसीओनी ना काई एडी x टा इन टर्म ऑफ y रो जो y टा इन टर्म ऑफ x y जुआ गाइड एटी जेतु इंडिपेंडेंटली पॉइंट आसीओनी x आ y सो एमती रखितो ओके जोडी x y रो वैल्यू डायरेक्ट बाहर करियो बनी इंडिपेंडेंटली से केस रे एमती रखियो नेक्स्ट सॉल्व आप कोन करियो फर्स्ट करू डेरिवेटिव करी पॉइंट पकेबो सेकंड करू डेरिवेटिव करियो पॉइंट पछे पकेबा कोन भाई ना हमें कंडीशन अप्लाई करिया m1 * m2 = -1 सेडी कैंसिल सेडी सिंपल m1 * m2 वैल्यू पकाबो पकला परे जा कैंसिल हबो कैंसिल कला परे हमर पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन में पहुंचे दैट इंप्लाइज ax² plus dy² = 1 differentiate with respect to x तो a कांस्टेंट x² डेरिवेटिव 2x b कांस्टेंट ना y² तो y² डेरिवेटिव करते ना 2y into dy/dx equal to 0 that implies 2by into dy/dx equal to -2x that implies dy/dx equal to -2ax by 2by तो 2 cancel तो -ax by by that is m1 is equal to हम कौन m1 कौन होता है स्लोप विद टेंजेंट टू द फर्स्ट कर्व so m1 is equal to -ax by by सेकंड कर्व डेरिवेटिव करियो ना सेकंड टा कौन होसी a dash x² plus b dash y square equal to 1 differentiate with respect to x by the हम सिमिलरली भी लिख देला हो कौन भाई ना a x² plus b y² is equal to 1 a dash x² plus b dash y² equal to 1 जेतो दीरा को कर्व सेम स्टाइल अछि तो दी m1 टा तमरो आसिला -x by by हो m टा कोन हो -a dash x by b dash y हो सिमिलरली मते पकेले भी हो हम डिफरेंस कॉलम तो कर दियो तो कोन होची आपको डेरिवेटिव करले सो a dash कांस्टेंट x² डेरिवेटिव 2x plus b dash constant y² derivative 2y into dy/dx is equal to 0 that implies 2b dash y dy/dx equal to -2a dash x so dy/dx equal to -2a dash x by 2b dash y है 2 कटला that is m2 इधर कैंसिल करना पड़ेगा this one is m2 so m2 equal to -a dash x by b dash y so m1 होची तमरो -ax by by and m2 equal to -a dash x by b dash y डायरेक्टली m2 रा भी लिखले भी हे परिबो अच्छा here since these two curve intersect right angle means m1 into m2 equal to -1 since two curves since two curves intersect at right angle so m1 into m2 equal to -1 so m1 means -ax by by m1 so m2 means -a dash x by b dash y equal to -1 that implies a into a dash x square by b into b dash into y square is equal to -1 that implies a into a dash by b into b dash a into a dash by b into b dash एडी x square by y square अछि ए जो x square by y square रे हमर वैल्यू केता आछि x square by y square रे हमर वैल्यू केता आछला ना नहीं सो दिस इज इक्वल टू केता आछे हमर x square by y square वैल्यू a minus a dash इक्वल टू 1 नहीं छे a minus a dash by ना नहीं सो b dash minus b बुझौछ ना x square by y square रो वैल्यू डा हमर आछे आगु प्लस पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन हम बाहर कर देछे तो a minus a dash by b dash minus b is equal to -1 तो हम कौन करिया पड़े हमको एटा को प्रूव करिया पड़ो ना सो ए प्राइम थिबार गोटे साइड करियो ए गोटे साइड बी गोटे साइड करिया कौन करिया देखो सो दिस इज इक्वल टू दैट इंप्लाइज ना नहीं तो ये कहता आसला x² by y² फुल पके देली तो x² by y² वैल्यू आसे हमर एक्चुअली b डैश तो b डैश माइनस b by a माइनस a डैश देखो कोन होसी हमर x² by y² वैल्यू डा कोन आसी ना b डैश माइनस b by a माइनस a डैश आसे ठीक आसे ना अच्छा पके दियो प्ले ना b डैश माइनस b by b into b dash is equal to minus a minus a dash by a into a dash totally हला सो एमती कराला तो कौन करे एडी सेपरेट कर दियो तो सेपरेट करले कोन आसी तो दिस इज इक्वल टू b dash by b into b dash हला minus b into b dash हला minus a by a into a dash minus minus plus a dash by a into a dash अच्छा b dash को b dash कैंसिल है ना b को b कैंसिल है ना a को a कैंसिल है ना a dash को a dash कैंसिल है ना so this is 1 by b minus 1 by a b dash minus 1 by a dash plus 1 by a तो कौन कहछि जा प्रूव करिया कहछि से प्रूफटा देखि हम एडजस्ट कर दियो that implies एडी को करिया a dash का पूरा लियो 1 एडा को अपने ले जाओ आपको राइट टू ले जाओ तो 1 by a dash minus 1 by b dash equal to 1 by a minus 1 by b that implies 1 by a minus 1 by b is equal to 1 by a dash minus 1 by b dash this is the condition or proof where these two curves intersect at right angle so तो दीटा कर्व राइट एंगल इंटरसेक्ट कले एति प्रूव करे कोइ दिस प्रूफ इज वेरी इंपोर्टेंट ए क्वेश्चन ना बहुत आम सीएचएससी बोर्ड रे बहुत रिपीट होची आइडा भला प्रैक्टिस करो क्वेश्चन ना भी अच्छा सो कंडीशन आमे अप्लाई करी कोन परपेंडिकुलर कंडीशन अप्लाई कले तो बाकी प्रूव सो इन दिस वीडियो क्लास we see that what is the condition for the tangent line is parallel to x-axis and the condition for the tangent line is perpendicular to x-axis and what is the angle between two curve and what is the condition for two curve intersect at right angle and touches to each other and so many problems. So in the next class we do some another problems of tangent normal. So do this practice for this problem. Thank you so much.